Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to monetize TikTok account. So let's get started. So if you want to monetize your TikTok account, then follow some easy steps. First, open up your TikTok. After opening up your TikTok, now what you can do is just tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right. And now in order to monetize your account, just tap on creator tool. After tapping on creator tools, now you have to complete the steps to monetize your account. So here you will find the second option, which is monetize. So by tapping on view all, you will find all the steps that are required to monetize your account. So the first one is subscriptions. So if you want to add subscriptions to your TikTok, then you can do that. So to add subscriptions, what you have to do is you have to meet these requirements. So the first one is you have to follow TikTok community guidelines. So this is the first step, and the second one is you have to have live access. And after having that live access, now what you have to do is you have to go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days. So after that, now you have to have 1000 followers. And after meeting all the requirements, what you can do is you will access this feature, which is subscriptions, and you can add subscriptions to your account. So if a user likes your content, then the person can pay you by purchasing your subscriptions. So by taking your subscriptions, you will be paid, and now you can customize the subscriptions. So you can make it up to $21 a month, or just free, or just $2 per month. You can access the subscription features by meeting all these features by completing all the steps. And now what you can do is just tap on video gifts. So now if you want to receive your video gifts, then what you have to do is just simply turn on your video gifts. Now you have to make sure that you have meet all these requirements. So the first one is you have to at least have 10,000 followers, and the second step is your video must pass safety modernization to be eligible for gifts. And the third one is you have to have account that been active for at least 30 days, and you have to meet the age requirement. So the account should not be used by government, politics, or any political parties. So if the account is accessed by those persons, then you can't access this feature. So just make sure that you have meted all those requirements, and then you can access these features. So and the third option is work with artists. So just tap on it, and now in order to work with artists, you have to have more than 1000 followers, and then you can work with artists. So now in order to work with artists, what you have to do is just tap on apply, and after tapping on apply, you can just select an artist that you would like to work with. And after selecting any one of those artists, now you have to complete this process, and after doing that, you will access this feature, which is subscriptions, video gift, and work with artists. And then you will start having subscriptions, your video gift. You will receive money from TikTok for creating content on TikTok. So just make sure that you have completed all those processes, and then your account will be monetized. So that's it guys, this is how to monetize TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.